What's shaking in crypto? The Bitcoin Bulletin is live. We've got a massive lawsuit hitting Athena Bitcoin, Cathie Wood dropping ETF intel, Cantor Fitzgerald's gold-backed Bitcoin fund, and IREN's explosive August revenue. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. First up, the DC Attorney General is taking aim at Athena Bitcoin. We're diving deep into allegations of hidden ATM fees and outright scams. This is a big one for consumers and the crypto ATM space. Then, get ready for some serious ETF strategy from Cathie Wood and ARK Invest. We're breaking down the top Bitcoin ETFs you can buy right now, and crucially, the one you should absolutely avoid. Plus, a massive Wall Street player, Cantor Fitzgerald, is launching a new Bitcoin fund, but with a twist, it's insured by gold. We'll explore how this unique strategy aims to balance Bitcoin's upside with a safe haven asset. And finally, we're closing out with some incredible numbers from IREN. They've just announced their August Bitcoin revenue, and it's huge, alongside a significant new CFO appointment. All this and more on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. DC Attorney General sues Athena Bitcoin for hidden ATM fees and scams. The District of Columbia's Attorney General is filing a lawsuit against Athena Bitcoin, accusing the company of deception and fraud related to its cryptocurrency, ATMs. This legal action targets Athena Bitcoin for allegedly charging hidden fees and engaging in scam-like practices, leaving consumers out of pocket and confused. The Attorney General's office is seeking to hold the company accountable for these alleged misconducts, highlighting a critical need for transparency and fair dealing in the rapidly growing crypto ATM sector. This case could set a significant precedent for consumer protection in cryptocurrency transactions across the nation, especially concerning the fees users encounter when buying or selling digital assets through physical terminals. Consumers and crypto advocates are closely watching this lawsuit, with many expressing outrage over the alleged predatory practices. The outcome could significantly impact user trust and regulatory scrutiny of crypto ATM operators nationwide. Get ready, because the fallout from this lawsuit is just the beginning of our crypto deep dive today. Next, we're uncovering the hottest Bitcoin ETFs and revealing which one Cathie Wood herself is telling you to steer clear of. 2 top Bitcoin ETFs you can buy right now, and 1 to avoid at all costs. In the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency investment, exchange-traded funds have emerged as a key gateway for traditional investors looking to gain exposure to Bitcoin. With the recent approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs, the market now offers a variety of options, but not all are created equal. This report identifies 2 highly recommended Bitcoin ETFs: the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF, IBIT, for its low expense ratio and direct Bitcoin holdings, and the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, ARKW, managed by Cathie Wood, which offers a broader tech focus with some direct Bitcoin exposure alongside companies like Coinbase and Robinhood. Conversely, it strongly advises against leveraged Bitcoin ETFs, explaining their complex derivative structures and daily rebalancing that often lead to long-term underperformance and excessive fees, making them unsuitable for most investors. The investment community is buzzing about these ETF choices, with analysts weighing in on diversification strategies and the long-term viability of different crypto investment vehicles. The distinction between pure-play Bitcoin exposure and broader tech-focused funds is a major point of discussion. But ETFs aren't the only innovative way Wall Street is embracing Bitcoin. Get ready for a fund that combines Bitcoin's potential with the historic safety of gold. Wall Street giant Cantor debuts Bitcoin fund with gold insurance. In a move signaling increasing institutional adoption and a desire for more stable crypto investments, Wall Street stalwart Cantor Fitzgerald has launched a novel Bitcoin fund. This new offering, the Cantor Fitzgerald Gold Protected Bitcoin Fund, aims to provide investors with exposure to Bitcoin's potential upside while mitigating the cryptocurrency's notorious volatility through a unique gold insurance strategy. Announced initially at the Bitcoin 2025 conference, The fund is designed to capture Bitcoin's upward trajectory over a 5-year span, with gold acting as a protective safety net, historically a reliable performer during market downturns. Cantor Fitzgerald's global head of asset management, Bill Ferry, emphasized that in the current market, where risk assets are near all-time highs, both timing and protection are paramount. This innovative structure is generating significant interest, particularly among investors who are cautious about Bitcoin's sharp price swings. The fund's approach is seen as a sophisticated attempt to balance the allure of digital asset gains with the security of a traditional safe haven asset, reflecting a maturing approach to cryptocurrency investment. And speaking of massive gains, we're not done with the impressive financial news yet. Get ready to hear about IREN's astonishing August Bitcoin revenue and a key leadership shakeup. IREN reports August Bitcoin revenue of $77 new CFO appointed. Tech and data center operator IREN has announced a significant milestone in its Bitcoin mining operations, alongside a crucial executive appointment. For the month of August, IREN reported an impressive Bitcoin mining revenue of USD 76.7 million. This substantial figure was released concurrently with the announcement that Anthony Lewis has been appointed as the new Chief Financial Officer, succeeding Belinda Nucifora. This strategic leadership transition, coupled with the robust revenue figures, is expected to bolster investor confidence and support IREN's ongoing strategy to expand its AI cloud and data center services, potentially driving future growth and profitability in higher-margin sectors. This news has resonated strongly with investors, contributing to a remarkable 149% increase in IREN's stock price over the last quarter. Analysts point to the combination of strong financial performance and strengthened leadership as key drivers of this positive market sentiment, positioning IREN for continued success. That's all the incredible news we have for you today on Bitcoin Bulletin. Don't go anywhere, we've got a lightning round recap and your full call to action coming up next. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We covered the DC Attorney General suing Athena Bitcoin for alleged scams, Cathie Wood's top ETF picks and warnings, Cantor Fitzgerald's unique Gold-Insured Bitcoin fund, and IREN's massive August Bitcoin revenue with a new CFO. Don't miss out on any of the action. Hit that like button, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your crypto news, ring the notification bell so you're alerted to every new video, leave a comment with your thoughts on today's stories, and follow us on all our social media channels for real-time updates.